How to send an email in Gmail. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you send in an email in Gmail. So for that, you want to make sure that you already have a Gmail account. So go ahead and open up your Gmail application. So here it is. When you open up your Gmail application, then this is how it's gonna look like. So basically what you want to do is, in order to send an email, you have to click the compose button. As you click on compose, you could see the interface something like this. At the top of the page, you could see there is this from section. That means this is actually your Gmail ID. Now, in order to send to the other person, you also need the other person's or the recipient's email address. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in my secondary option or the secondary account. This is gonna be the email address of the recipient. And as for the subject, you want to type in what is it regarding the email. So let's say it's about the invitation. So I'm just going to type in invite. And here you want to make sure to go ahead and compose an email. Now for the compose email, you just have to make sure to go ahead and type in the message, what you actually want to deliver it. So, and when you do it, so you want to make sure to type in all of these. So just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to randomly type in whatever that comes to my mind. And then at the top of the page, you could see there is a paperclip icon, right? If you go and tap on it, you could actually go ahead and attach a file, photo, or anything. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach this particular image as well. And if you're sure about it, you could go ahead and double check all of the information and tap on this arrow icon from the top right hand side. And this indicates that you're sending. At the bottom, you could see there are notifications stating that sent, which means that the message or the email has been already sent. So if you want to view the sent, you could go to the try bar icon and then you want to go to set sent, and then you could see this was our sent email. So this is the simplest way you could send an email in the Gmail. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.